How we doing, everybody? Starting off another video and another repair, rust repair on the GTR. But before I get into that, remember to like and subscribe for more. Definitely helps out. Today we are getting into this very common area for these cars to rust out. This is pretty bad, and honestly, I don't know how high up it goes into the fold here, because this panel folds onto another panel on the back side, but I have a feeling it kind of probably stops around here, maybe less, and then this entire part is rusted out. I mean, not rusted out, but it is what do you call it, definitely affected. So I'm going to kind of mark this off, grind down the paint, see how far it goes, and I already kind of did it here. And then I'm gonna mark it off with a scribe and then cut this rot out. I got the rot cut out, and I believe it is free for the most part. Now I just gotta wiggle it off because I think it's getting held on by the seam sealer. And I mean, just look at this huge chunk of seam sealer right there. Try to, there we go. It is almost off. I mean, you see all the rust falling out, and that's the corner piece. Now we can kind of see on the inside here what's going on. Not bad. I mean, I'll have to go up a little bit more over here on this panel so I can get access to this. Alright, so far I've prepped the outside panel, got rid of the hard corners. I like to do that just because the patch panel corner will not burn up if it gets hot enough. And then now I cut up a little bit into here. I will then cut here, and then cut down probably about yay high. I don't know, you could tell, but probably this high. That way I have some access to the inside of this, which is just a little bit rusty, especially on that panel that I can't really show. Maybe this will work. So I want to get on the inside of that, wire wheel it, treat it with some OSFO. Alright, so last time I left off, I got the corner all cut out, the rust at least, and now I decided to take off this rear bumper so I can get to this hole in a safe manner when I'm cutting it out, and then that also will give me more access when I'm cleaning the rust out from the inside of that area. So I'm gonna take this bumper off, and from what I've seen online, there's 4 bolts around here somewhere. Yep, right there. Probably can't see it, but there's 4 bolts, and then there's some bolts underneath I'm gonna get to. So that's what I'm gonna do next, get this thing off. So I haven't recorded in a while, but I did get a lot done. I'm just gonna show you what I got to do. And pretty much I got this whole piece done. I don't know if I recorded a clip with that, but then also got this piece and this piece that wraps around to the front here. Got it all done, and it looks good. Piece is a little bit flat on the bottom. I wish it had more of a curve. That's just, at this point in time, that's just my lack of knowledge. slash me wanting to hurry up a little bit, because next week I will be gone for a few weeks, so I just want to button this side up, and I believe I could get that done today or this weekend or this upcoming week. So with that being said, I'm going to get to grinding, and I am actually now finished with this side. Not really finished, but done with the heavy lifting of this side. I'm going to show you what it looks like. See here, and then there's no hole. I have to do this little piece right here, this little piece, and then just that, and then these two flat panels that go in the back behind the bumper, and then a little bit on the inside of the arch. But I'm gonna do that this weekend, and then next week I'm going away for a little bit, so I'm not gonna be able to make a lot of videos, but I am free this entire weekend. So what I decided to do is make an in-depth tutorial on how to fix that type of damage. I think it came out great. I'm not a professional, but this is something that looks good, and I did it, so I feel like I'm gonna share how I did it with minimal tools on the other side. So with that being said, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please comment, like the video, and subscribe for more. Thanks. Peace.